Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and please subscribe to my channel by hitting the notification bell near the red subscribe button. And these are bi-monthly readings for the next half of September, and as they are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you. In that case, you can check your moon sign and your name sign, and they can be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. Okay. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's there for Librans. The Queen of Pentacles. Okay, the Death. I really don't know why the Death card is dominating in the few signs of the first half also, and in this also. The Empress anyway, major arcanas. Okay, we have the Three of Swords, the Seven of Wands, the Seven of Pentacles, Seven of Swords again, the Five of Wands, okay, and the Ace of Wands. Thankfully, at the end we have the Ace of Swords. Okay. So let's see what are the messages from this deck for Librans. Two of Spades, the Hangman. Okay. Guidance from the angels. Okay, we have the Ace of Abundance. Okay, so Librans, I think that you were thinking of, it's sort of, you were thinking as to should I or should I not in a particular situation. Should I begin or shouldn't I? Should I do this or shouldn't I? Because it's the Empress is all about a new beginning. It's about something has to be done. It's about new beginning. It's action. Okay. And here with the Queen of Pentacles, what I feel here is that, and the Death card in between, what I feel here is that there was a time in which you were thinking, should I move in this direction? Shouldn't I? Should I do this? Shouldn't I do this? So you were taking your time sort of to decide something. Okay, and here with the Death card, I think that time is over. That time is over, and perhaps you have taken a decision for a new beginning. So you have whatever time you took to manifest it, you have, but now you are ready for a new beginning with the Empress. Okay, and this waiting time is over. You've taken your time, whatever it was, and now your decision is okay. I'll do this. Whatever it is, you've decided to make a move. But here with the Three of Swords, the Seven of Wands, and the Seven of Pentacles, there is something which has happened over here. When you took this decision of making a move, or okay, now I'll be doing this, this is talking only about decision, which is you planned this new beginning. Okay, now I'm ready for this new beginning, but there is something which has caused you pain and stress and tension, and it has become a struggle over here. You are trying to defend something. With the Three of Swords, the Seven of Wands, and with the Seven of Pentacles, there is something which has hurt you, something painful has happened in this situation, and this new beginning which you decided to move towards has become a struggle in some way. You are trying to defend your position. What I am getting here is you are trying to prevent your save your pentacles. You are struggling to save your pentacles over here. That's what I feel. Whatever you had built upon, you're fighting for that basically. Whatever you had built upon, you're trying to defend it basically, trying to fight for it, struggle for it and trying to defend it. Okay, so this is the struggle which is about defending your pentacles. Now whatever this was for you, whatever this possession is for you, whatever it is, uh, you thought that you will manifest and move ahead, it's now it's becoming tough to, it's becoming not tough to, but it's become a struggle to you have to fight for it now to save it. Okay, and here with the Seven of Swords, Five of Wands, again there is something is being done. You are doing something which is causing, what I am getting here is that you are doing something or hiding something which is causing a fight amongst others or tension in others. It can be this also, or it can be, yes, it's that, or somebody else is doing this to you. You are struggling to save your pentacles, that is there, but who is this Seven of Swords, the Five of Wands? Somebody is getting away with something, and that is the cause of conflict or this argument, whatever it is. Somebody is definitely walking away with something. See, it can be see, this is definitely whatever this new beginning was. Actually, you've taken such a long time in making this decision, and when this ends, you decide to make a move. There is some instance which is happening which is causing you a lot of pain. You have to defend this now for yourself, and maybe I see here somebody getting away. Okay, now I'm done, sort of. It can be this also. Somebody is getting away with something which is a cause of conflict over here. But as the reading is ending with the Ace of Swords, so there is a new beginning. There is some sort of clarity which is coming in, definitely. See, it can be that by the time you were ready for this new beginning, this, the other person has turned the back. It can be this. They're done with it and they're secretly leaving. It can be that also, without telling you. Maybe that. Let me see what is actually there more. Okay, we have the Three of Wands. Okay, the Ace of Pentacles and the Two of Pentacles again. So yeah, there is some sort of clarity which does come in. There is a new beginning over here, definitely. But again, with the Three of Wands, there is again waiting, Ace of Pentacles, again beginning, and then again that indecisiveness. Some sort of indecisiveness, perhaps. See, this can be one more thing. Since you have, after this conflict is over, whatever this argument is, you have a new beginning with the Ace of Swords. Okay, you have the clarity as to what to do, in which direction to move. You do have it. Okay, but, and here also we have the Ace. Okay, let me keep that. Okay, so what I feel here is that once you have the clarity and you are ready for this new beginning, you are the weight is there, but then this weight is about having this stability. the right timing, right opportunity, waiting for your ships to come in. But definitely till the clarity comes and till you execute it or make it stable. Okay, this is just an idea or an opportunity which you are able to see, but to materialize it, there is some sort of weight which is there in between. That's what I'm getting. To make it stable, to make it, what do we say? To make it happen, sort of, or to make it a reality. Yeah, to make it a reality, there is some sort of weight or something needs to be there. Something is there to make it realize, basically, to stabilize this or to make it actually happen. Yeah, to make it actually happen, to actually make this idea or this new beginning happen, or to execute it, there is some sort of weight which is there, some waiting which is there. And this waiting is because you are taking the time to that decision, how to execute it, sort of. So from this Ace of Swords to the Ace of Pentacles, the waiting is because you are doing this, trying to make up your mind perhaps, or weighing the pros and cons, whatever you are doing. So to make it actually happen in reality, to execute it, you are contemplating on that. That is the waiting. That's what I'm getting. And here with the Two of Spades, the Hangman, again, the situation perhaps, this is talking about wait only. It's waiting, waiting, waiting. Some sort of waiting is there. Perhaps till you execute it, or maybe you have done this waiting too much over here that it became a struggle for yourself. Let me see what is there. The guidance from the angels. Ace of Abundance. This cherub brings wonderful news. A windfall of resources comes your way to help you with your plans. These resources may involve money, advice, or assistance in getting things done. It is a good time to start a new venture, change careers, or go into business for yourself. There may be important contracts to sign. So definitely there is something new. There is something new. Here with the Ace of Swords and with the Ace of Pentacles. Here you did think of this new beginning, but here it becomes a struggle, whatever the reason is. But definitely till you execute, you need some time. From the idea to the execution, this is the contemplation which is going on, and maybe it will take a while to execute it, and that is what you are contemplating and deciding as to how to execute it. That's what I'm getting. How to make it a reality, how to move in the right way, how to do it, sort of. It's something like that. So let's see, hope it helps, and let's meet in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.